Hello and welcome friends. A new case of probability, and that is a bag or box contains 5 black and 3 white balls. Another bag or box contains 4 black and 5 white balls. One ball is drawn from each bag or box. Find the probability that they are of different color. This is the scenario. Against us we have 2 boxes full of balls in this way. One ball is drawn from each box or bag. What is the probability that they are of different color? Now they are of different color. First of all, we are going to solve this problem through logical approach. No formula, no sign we are going to use. And that is 2 balls of different color can be drawn in 2 mutually exclusive ways. That is black from first box and white from the second, or white from the first box and black from the second. Let us calculate probability of this event. Required probability or probability of this event is black from the first box, that is 5C1 upon 8C1, and white from the second 5C1 upon 9C1, or white from the first 3C1 upon 8C1 and black from the second 4C1 upon 9C1. Just simplification. 5 by 8 into 5 by 9 plus 3 by 8 into 4 by 9. And that is 25 by 72 plus 12 by 72. That is 37 by 72. Now let us solve this problem through formula, assigning the various signs to probability, etc. We will observe that this one is a longer process. First of all, we have to use sign. A1 is black from the first box, A2 is white from the first box, B is opposite color from the second. Now P of A1, black from the first, 5C1 upon 8C1, that is 5 by 8. P of A2, white from the first, that is 3C1 upon 8C1, that is 3 by 8. P of B is not possible at this stage because ball of different color is dependent on the color of ball in the first row. So if in the first row we have drawn black, in the second it will be white. So probability of white in the second row, if a black was drawn in the first row, that is white from the second, 5C1 upon 9C1, that is 5 by 9. Similarly, probability of B given A2 will be probability of black from the second. If white was from the first, black from the second, 4C1 upon 9C1, that is 4 by 9. Now P of B is possible in 2 mutually exclusive ways. P of A1 intersection B plus P of A2 intersection B. Now we are well aware that this is possible through the formula P of A1, multiplication law we are going to use, into P of B given A1 plus P of A2 into P of B given A2. P of A1 is 5 by 8 into P of B given A1 is 5 by 9 plus P of A2 is 3 by 8 into P of B given A2 is 4 by 9. 25 by 72 plus 12 by 72. So it comes to 37 by 72. But frankly speaking, I may be criticized for this statement, but this is not everybody's cup of tea. You can solve the problem in this way only after reaching a certain level of understanding of various concepts and calculation of probability. But this is possible for a beginner in this chapter Because in this approach, we are using our common sense. In which way drawing a black ball from the first and white from the second, or drawing white from the first and second from black from the second. In this way, two balls of different color in two consecutive draws from two boxes is possible. This is totally based on our common sense, or say personal understanding. In this method or approach, we have to follow a certain pattern. So I dare to say that first try to understand the solution in this way, and then after reaching certain level, after say becoming confident in solving this type of problems and thinking the steps of assigning probability and thinking the solution in that particular way, then only try to solve the same problems in this way. That's it. Thank you very much.